Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dog kennels that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly indoor crate, a premium outdoor kennel, or something in between, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Amazon Basics Durable, Foldable, Metal Wire Dog Crate. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list, coming in at just $39.62. Despite its low price, it offers solid functionality. It's designed for small breeds like beagles and dachshunds and features durable metal construction with a manual door locking mechanism. The crate comes with a removable plastic base tray for easy cleaning, and it folds flat for convenient storage or travel. In terms of build quality, the Amazon Basics crate is lightweight yet sturdy enough for small dogs. The addition of a divider allows you to adjust the internal space as needed, making it a good option for growing puppies. However, it lacks some of the advanced security features found in higher-end models, and the wire frame might not be ideal for dogs prone to chewing or pushing against the sides. Overall, this crate is an excellent choice for those on a tight budget. It's simple, easy to set up, and gets the job done for small to medium-sized dogs. While it may not offer premium features, its affordability and practicality make it a great entry-level option for pet owners. Coming in at number 4 is the New World Newly Enhanced Single-Door Dog Crate. This crate is designed for larger dogs weighing between 70 and 90 pounds and measures 42 inches in length. It features a single door with added security enhancements like the patented paw block and locking tips, ensuring your furry friend stays safe and secure. The build quality is impressive, with durable metal construction and a leak-proof plastic pan that's easy to clean. It sets up in seconds without the need for tools and folds flat for portability. However, since it only has a single door, it may not offer as much convenience for multi-directional access compared to double-door models. It's worth mentioning that the crate is manufactured by Midwest Homes for Pets, a trusted name in the pet industry with over 100 years of experience. This crate is ideal for large breeds or dogs who need extra room to stretch out. It's a bit heavier than smaller models, so it may not be as travel-friendly. However, if you're looking for a sturdy, reliable option for indoor use, the New World Crate offers excellent value. At number 3, we have the Midwest Homes for Pets newly enhanced iCrate Dog Crate. This model is designed for medium-sized breeds weighing 40 to 70 pounds, and its dimensions of 36.6 times 21.9 times 24.5 inches provide plenty of room for your dog to feel comfortable. The standout feature is the patented paw block and locking tips, which offer enhanced security to keep your pet safe. What sets this crate apart is its thoughtful design. It includes a divider panel, a durable leak-proof pan, protective rubber feet to prevent floor damage, and a carrying handle for portability. The crate is easy to assemble and folds flat for convenient storage or travel. With its sturdy metal construction and rounded corner clips, it's built to last and ensures a safe environment for your pet. Priced at $46.49, this crate offers exceptional value for its durability and features. It's perfect for indoor use and for pet owners who want a reliable, mid-tier option that balances affordability with quality. However, its weight of 22 pounds might make it less ideal for frequent movers. Overall, it's a fantastic choice for medium-sized dogs. At number 2, we have another product from Midwest Homes for Pets, the newly enhanced double-door iCrate Dog Crate. This crate is designed for smaller breeds weighing 12 to 25 pounds, and its compact dimensions make it well-suited for apartment dwellers or those with limited space. What makes this crate stand out is the double-door design, which provides added convenience for accessing your pet from multiple angles. The crate features the same patented paw block and locking tips as the single-door version, ensuring top-notch security. It also includes a divider panel, a durable plastic pan, and protective rubber feet. Assembly is quick and tool-free, and the crate folds flat for easy storage or travel. The double-door model adds a layer of versatility, especially in tight spaces. This crate is ideal for small dog owners who value convenience and functionality. While it lacks some of the premium features found in higher-priced models, it delivers excellent performance for everyday use. The build quality and thoughtful design make it a worthwhile investment for your furry friend's comfort and safety. Finally, at the top of our list, we have the RoomTech Large Dog Kennel. If you're in the market for a premium outdoor kennel, this is the ultimate choice. Designed for large breeds, this heavy-duty kennel measures 4 feet by 4 feet and features an upgraded design with dual rotating feeding doors. It even comes with 2 stainless steel bowls, allowing you to feed your pets without opening the main door. The build quality is exceptional. With a sturdy steel tube frame that's galvanized for outdoor durability, the kennel also includes a waterproof tarp roof to protect your pet from harsh weather conditions. This makes it suitable for all seasons, whether it's rain, sun, or snow. The spire roof design prevents water accumulation, and the PVC-coated mesh wire ensures rust resistance while keeping your pet safe from external hazards. While it's the most expensive option on our list at $169.98, the RoomTech Kennel delivers unmatched durability and functionality. It's perfect for pet owners who need a secure and spacious outdoor space for their dogs. However, its size and weight make it less portable, so it's best suited for permanent or semi-permanent setups. If you want the best for your pet, this kennel is worth the investment. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.